My real estate agent said when I buy a house, I shouldn't use my VA loan. What the fuck is up with that? What's going on, motivators? Justin Chermak here, your VA loan advisor. It's my job to teach you all you need to know about using your VA loan. Today's topic, I want to talk about why real estate agents are afraid of VA loans. Yup, absolutely petrified. And you know what? It really pisses me the fuck off. And here's why. Because it's doing you a disservice, a huge disservice. I'm going to tell you how you're going to lose thousands of dollars by not using your VA loan. But before I get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because this is all I do is I teach you all about using your VA loan. I'm here to use as a resource for you. So let's get down to the meat and potatoes. Why are real estate agents afraid of the VA loan? Well, here's the thing, right? A lot of people in life, just in general, are afraid of the unknown. They're afraid of what they don't know. And on average, a real estate agent or a mortgage loan officer, if they don't specialize in working with veterans like the way that I do and some of my agents, well, they're only going to see a veteran or a VA loan one time per year. If they're an average producing agent or lender, they will see between 0 to 1 transactions in a 12-month period. And that's a proven fact. It's a proven statistic. So because of that, they tend to get a little bit leery of it. Now, VA loans are pretty complex, but they're actually really simple. They're complex if you don't know them and if you only do one a year, but if you do them regularly, they're a very simple process and they're actually easier than other loans. But that's not what this video is about. I'm trying to focus more on the actual real estate agents themselves. Now, here's the thing, and this is what really pisses me off, right? They have the nerve to say, when we're gonna go and put 0% down, which is our freaking God-given right when we took that damn oath, when we put 0% down, they say that we have no skin in the game. Now that drives me absolutely mad, because skin in the game, we literally have all of our skin in the game. Like, we have our entire life in the game. Some of us have sacrificed, made the ultimate sacrifice. Some of us have sacrificed limb or whatever, or gotten serious injuries or something like that, or we've lost people. You know, they don't even understand what we've been through to get to where we are in life now, to being able to purchase this home. So it's our freaking right to use our VA loan and put 0% down. But they have the nerve to say that because they'll look at an offer for, like, let's just say a $500,000 house and someone's putting $100K down, and they think, oh, well, this is a superior offer because they're putting $100,000 down, as opposed to this veteran who's putting 0% down. But guess what? At the end of the day, at the closing table, the money is all the same, okay? It's not like this $100,000 from this guy and the $400,000 mortgage you're getting is going to be any better than the $500,000 they're going to get from this vet over here, okay? It's all the same shit. It's not like it's a different color of money or it's a superior kind of money, or this one's like, you know, based in Bitcoin or something ridiculous like that. So it absolutely drives me mad that they think like this, but this isn't the only thing that they think about. Now, lenders are to blame for this as well. Because of the fact that lenders also don't typically see a VA loan very often, they make a lot of mistakes in doing this. And unfortunately, it gives off a really bad name to the VA loan. For instance, the VA loan also has this thing about inspections and appraisals and, you know, having issues with that. It's all myths. And I explain it in other videos that I do about why they are myths and why they're wrong. But the thing is these lenders, they don't understand the VA lender's handbook the way that I do, or the way that some of my other professionals do who are also veterans and VA loan advisors. So they can't navigate these problems as they develop during a transaction. And so what happens? Well, those two real estate agents on the buyer side and the seller side, they'll look and say, oh, VA loans are the problem. When in actuality, it's the person driving the wheel of the VA loan who's just an idiot and has no idea what they're doing. So these agents will get a bad taste in their mouth, and they don't want to accept offers from our veterans. And that's the listing side. But the buyer side agents, they're even worse, because they don't want you to use your VA loan. And that's bullshit. Let me tell you right now, out of the 250 some odd veterans, it's somewhere around that number that I've helped in my career, 99% of the time, it is more financially advantageous for you to use your VA loan. And I will stand by that. I'll freaking take it like I took the goddamn oath of enlistment, right? It makes more sense to use your VA loan, okay? You've got no mortgage insurance. You've got lower interest rates. It's easier to refinance and less costly to refinance. You've got better underwriting that's more flexible. You can get approved for more. And with appraisals, it's actually superior because you can dispute an appraisal 2 times. So those are just some of the examples. And I don't want to go too much into the weeds, but ultimately, people who use a VA loan will save a tremendous amount more. And I can't tell you how many times I've run into a scenario where I speak with a vet and they tell me, oh yeah, I already own a home, but I didn't use my VA loan. I used an FHA loan or a conventional loan. loan. And let me tell you, FHA is the stupidest thing you can do, because here's why. Not only do you have mortgage insurance in there, but you also have an upfront MIP. But using an FHA loan instead of a VA loan is the worst possible mistake you could make, because not only do you have to put down 3.5%, but you're going to have mortgage insurance on there. And the problem with an FHA loan, if you put down less than 10%, you're going to have mortgage insurance for the entire life of the loan. So for 30 years, you're going to have this payment of between, $75 to $400 or so added on a month for 30 years because you went with an FHA loan because some agent didn't understand that it's better and more financially advantageous for you to have a VA loan than an FHA loan. And basically, in a nutshell, they're just stupid and lazy and don't know any better because they don't want to put in the work to really earn that 2% commission that they're going to make off of you. And that's bullshit. Anyways, as you can tell from watching this video, I've got a lot of passion in my voice. This is something I deal with on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. And it is absolutely one of the worst parts of my job is having to convince a real estate agent why my veteran client needs to use their VA loan and why it's more financially advantageous. And yes, you're going to have to work a little bit harder, Mr. or Mrs. Agent. Sorry, hate to break it to you, but you're going to have to work a little bit. But I've got a solution to this, okay? If you're working with an agent who's telling you that they don't want to use your VA loan, or they don't want you to use your VA loan, or they're saying, well, why can't you just go conventional? It's the same thing, or go FHA. Give me a call. Please, let me know. Even if I don't do your actual mortgage for you, I will find you an agent who will handle your VA transaction because I've got an entire network, a nationwide network that I have access to. All right. I'm talking every zip code, every county, every state, anywhere and everywhere. I have people I can access within one of my own little networks that I can reach out using my affiliate locator tool. And I can find you an agent that will make sure that they put your needs first, that they fight for you the same way we fought for them when we took that freaking oath. Anyways, if you found any of this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my page. My name's Justin Chermak. I'm a Marine vet and your VA loan advisor. I'm here to help you learn all about using your VA loan. Motivator out.